Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix request limit exceeded in 1xBet. This is really easy, but
before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300.
now all you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and here you are going to simply click on the setting option at the top right. Now you are going to scroll all the way down on remove cache, that is just here, just before the disconnection option, and then it's going to remove completely the cache of your 1xBet. And if this still don't work, you're simply going to head out and go directly to your setting of your iPhone. So now all the way down in your setting, you are simply going to scroll and to go directly to the general option. Now you are going to click on the storage of your iPhone. Next, you are going to scroll all the way to the 1xBet application. Then you are going to find out the option of discharge the app. So you are simply going to click on discharge app, and this will remove the 1xBet app from your phone, but not completely. So you're simply going to reinstall the 1xBet application, and you function normally without the request limit exceeded available. But if this still doesn't work, you're simply going to head to your 1xBet application and go back and click on the assistant support option. Right here, you're simply going to click on contacts, and here you're going to find out all the email addresses and all the way for you to contact the 1xBet application and tell them about this issue, so that they will automatically fix it for you to bet and earn more money from the platform.